Hello everyone. Naresh IT is conducting online sessions through Webex. So I will give a complete overview of how to join online sessions through Webex. All our new sessions and existing sessions will be going on this Webex player. So what you need to do if you are joining any new batch, so you want to know about the new batches going on in Naresh IT, you can just log in into our website. Our official website is www.nareshit.com. You can open our official Naresh IT website. You can go to the new batches link where you will find all the new batches. If you want to join any batch, just click on the meeting link here. You can see there is a meeting link available for every class. So I'm choosing here first one. You can see the faculty name, date and time, and click on the meeting link. When you click on the meeting link, it will give you a registration form. This will redirect to Naresh IT Webex page where you have to register for the webinar. So click the register button and enter your credentials. So make sure that you provide a proper email and a valid email so that we can further communicate with you. So your name and your email address along with your phone number. Please enter your city and register. Once you register, a successful registration link will be sent to your email address. So please check your email. Make sure that you check your spam. Sometimes it may be into the spam. So you need to check your email. Open your email that you have given while registering. So you will find a webinar link available in that. So when you click on this webinar link, you will get the details about the webinar and you have a button called Join Webinar. So when you click Join Webinar, so it will allow you to join to the online class that you registered for. For this, we have some process to follow. What you need to do is, you need to download and install a tool called Webex. So I will show you how you download and install that Webex. There is another way instead of joining from our website. Once you registered for any course through various inquiries in our Naresh IT, then we will send you a message to your WhatsApp or SMS or email. We will send a message. Usually that message looks like this. This message is having some demo session commencing from 6th August and certain date and time. And you can see here, there is a direct registration link. You can open this direct registration link in any browser so that it will get you the registration link once you registered, and you will get all the information as I showed you. So there is another process. What you need to do is you download the Webex player from this link. Joining URL will be sent to you. When the joining URL is sent, you can open the joining URL. So this is Webex join meeting. So you can download this Webex player on your device so that you can directly use every time instead of opening from browser. We always better recommend you to join through the app. You download the app, you can get to the official website of web.webex.com and you download the Webex player on your device and you can log in through this ID. Yeah, it is downloaded successfully. Now install this Webex on your device. Once the installation completed successfully, you log in with your credentials in this Webex so that you keep logged in and all your meetings will be available every time for you. After downloading, you can open the Webex player every day and just go to join meeting and enter your meeting ID. So the meeting ID will be sent to you to your email or through your SMS or WhatsApp, and you just copy that and click on next it will ask you to enter the meeting password. So you can set a display name, and you can enter your valid email address. So you can just click on next, and it will join the meeting. Yeah, when you join the webinar, so automatically a pop-up will come, ask you to open the Webex. So if it is asking for password, then you need to enter the password by clicking join webinar. So once the webinar started, and you can see the screen, so you can unmute and you can mute yourself. If you have any doubts, then you can raise your hand at the bottom of the screen. You can see, so there is a raise hand option. So when you raise the hand, the notification will be sent to our admin and the person who is conducting the meeting. So he will allow you to talk and he will unmute you. So you can unmute yourself by clicking on unmute me, because you sent a request and the admin has approved your request and he wants you to talk with you. Then you can unmute yourself and you can talk. Now you can speak so with your mic. And if you have any doubts, so during the session, instead of disturbing the faculty or admin, so you can ask your doubts through a message. There is a chat box at the bottom. You can click on this and you can send your message. So you can send your message to the panelists. So that panelists will see the message and panelists will respond to your message. So this is the process of joining online class through Webex.